bringing you guys the Bougie Boutique. I'm mixing up the new color, you guys, and I will give you guys the new color at the end of the actual video. But this is just me. I mixed it all up. I don't know why I didn't record the process of it, but I don't know, and my camera, my little light on it, got my color looking kind of funky, but it's okay. But just mixing it up, showing you guys the creaminess of it, and it's very, very vibrant. So I'm going to be filling some tubes up here. My squeeze tube, this comes in a squeeze tube, a wand tube with a brush, and also some specialty tubes that I have. I just wanted to kind of go through and show you guys my filling process. This one was giving me a little trouble, I ain't gonna lie. It was giving me a little trouble, but it's all good. It's all good. I cut the tip off, and then, you know, the rest of the video kind of flows a little bit. But this is me filling up my wand tube, the 15 millimeter XL tube. And this one actually comes with the brush applicator. That way you can kind of put more on or less. But look at that pigmentation, you guys. Here's my 15 milliliter squeeze tube. That one was a little bit smoother than the first. I told y'all, you know, I fixed it. I fixed that. Here I am again, going back in with that wand tube. And these will be on the website coming up Wednesday for all of my Women Crush Wednesday. This is the specialty tube. So this one is like a 0.7 milliliter, and this is like a 0.5. This one's kind of fat, but there's not a lot of product that you can really put in those. But I really think that they're cute when I, you know, fix all of my pink caps and my pink tops and everything. You know, pink is the way to go, you know. Pink, 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 pink. It's my favorite color, so, you know, the Bougie Boutique gotta come bougie, baby.
Exhale and watch her dance for me. She does it right, commands the focus of me. I love how she lingers as she rests on my fingers, giving my body her tingles, yeah. I got a confession in my possession, vibe like a potion, and no, I ain't joking. The secret is out before you found out. You wanna know her name? Well, it's Mrs.
Get into that color, y'all. So now I'm just putting on my tops, and this is the finished look. I'm not gonna give these a bath in this video, but they will be cleaned before they are ordered and shipped out. But I just wanted to show you guys like how pretty and vibrant that color is. I mean, get into it.
I done fell in love with Mrs. Jane, yeah.
And all of my tubes have been cleaned and dried and prepped and everything and sanitized, so y'all don't have to worry about getting no bump on your lip. I got you. These are the specialty tubes. I really like them because the brush applicator is really, really big. However, the containers really don't hold as much as I prefer. I do prefer the squeeze tube out of all of them. And this is another specialty tube. I don't know if I'm going to sell them in those last two tubes, so I don't know. We'll have to see. But they may be in the squeeze tube and also the wand tube with the brush. But I'm going to let y'all get into it of how it looks on me. The new color called, you know what I'm saying, pop. I ain't going to say the other word, but my ring light, I shouldn't have had it set on the yellow light because it's really giving off a different type of color. But I'm going to show you guys in a picture what it looks like. But, you know, I'm just feeling cute, feeling good, and it's highly, highly pigmented, almost like a lipstick, like a cream. But it gives you that shine. But check this out. Y'all, 5.